After winning the TED Prize on March 2nd, 2011, the French artist JR launched the Inside Out project in his first TED Talk. Using his own artistic practice as inspiration, this participatory platform helps individuals and communities to make a statement by displaying large-scale black and white portraits in public spaces. Through their actions, communities around the world have sparked collaborations and conversations.
The Inside Out project is the largest global participatory art project to the date. Since 2011, more than 442,000 people spanning across 138 countries have participated in the Inside Out project. The project has reached all of the continents with over 2,329 actions created. Actions have revolved around a range of topics including diversity, community, feminism, racism, climate change, education, children's rights, and more. Posters are displayed in outdoor spaces that are visible to the public. These group actions, installations are documented and shared online.
We are bringing the Inside Out project to Stroudsburg High School with our very own action titled One Roof, Many Faces. Students and staff are invited to take part in this action. Together, we will create a work of public art that makes a powerful statement.
We are the pride of the Poconos, and for good reasons. Stroudsburg High School is a diverse and vibrant community made up of students and staff with unique attributes and characteristics. One Roof, Many Faces is part of a wider DEI initiative to publicly express our commitment to making diversity and inclusion at our school a priority. Through this project, we are working to create an identity that will strengthen and build relationships among the many faces of Stroudsburg, including students, teachers, and community supporters. We know we're not perfect, but we'll continue to strive to be inclusive for everyone.
To me, One Roof, Many Faces means gathering everybody in our school who come from different backgrounds, come from different religions, ethnicities, and gathering them all to work together and accept one another in our school.
The actual act of putting it together, I think, will be really cool and really fun.
I feel like the project is going to make us come together more like a family, because if I went into the hallway right now and started talking to some random person, they'd probably think I'm weird. But after this project hopefully brings people together and we'll be more accepting for one another.
I think it's going to be something really emotional for a lot of people, especially the ones that aren't going to look into this project much or pay more attention to it, but once they see it, it's going to really open their eyes and just, wow, that's really it.
I think I would probably start crying as soon as I see everything. Because it's so big and it's so symbolic too of all of our diversity.
I feel like it'll just be an accomplishment in my opinion. We really did this, and I know that it can impact other people. So just the fact that I got the chance to do something like this and it affected someone or it could have affected someone is a really it's a good accomplishment.
It's gonna feel monumental. I'm gonna be oh wow, we all did this together. It's gonna be a monument to our unity.